Question number 6. Alcohol dehydrogenase. Dehydrogenase, amylase and aldolase are examples of what are the classes, different types of enzymes. Remember, we have studied 6 different types of enzymes. Oxidoreductase, or otherwise called as dehydrogenase, that is involved in oxidation reduction reactions. In oxidation reduction reaction, some cases removal of hydrogen take place, then we call it as dehydrogenase. But all are coming under oxidoreductase. Oxidoreductase, alcohol dehydrogenase is oxidoreductase. Oxidoreductase class. Amylase, what this amylose, that is starch, is hydrolyzed, broken down into similar units of maltose or glucose. So it is a hydrolase. Hydrolyzing enzyme is hydrolase. What is the aldolase? This fellow we are familiar in glycolysis. Glycolysis, there is a step, fructose 1,6-biphosphate, that is broken down in presence of enzyme aldolase into. Fructose 1,6-biphosphate is a 6-carbon compound that was broken down in presence of aldolase into one molecule of 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde, another molecule of dihydroxyacetone phosphate. 2 molecules of 3-carbon compound that is coming under the category called lyase. Lyase, breaking down and generating unsaturation bond, double bonds. So we got almost, let us see. Oxidoreductase, hydrolase, lyase. What is our answer? Cat.